I was strolling through the dollar store craft section when I came across these beautiful beads with the pink and the green sitting right next to each other. Of course, it reminded me of the new movie coming out, Wicked. So this is a really simple project. I'm just dumping all of the pink beads into one cup, and then I'm dumping all of the green beads into a separate cup. Then I'm going to be using a 2-part epoxy resin. This stuff takes about 24 hours to dry. We're going to be adding that resin mixture directly to our bead mixture and getting those very well combined. And then I'm going to use a soap dish mold, and I'm just going to put the pink on half and the green on the other half. You're going to want to make sure that you use enough beads to cover the entire bottom of this tray. You could always blend them a little bit more than I did, but I was definitely going for a 50-50 Wicked look, and I think that we were able to accomplish that. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. Bye!